this Thanksgiving weekend, I just came back from the dermatologist. Last month I had like rosacea, and then I came back and it was good. Alright, so as I was saying, I was there really quick, so I just went for a follow-up appointment. It was really good. The dermatologist was telling me about how the prescribed drug that they gave me, there's actually another brand. Hold on, let me see my car. This generic brand basically stole the formula. It was like patents, and then they basically stole the formula, and then like how that affects the market or like that business. Skin looks better now, so I'm like happier. So I brought my makeup just in case, but I don't think I'll wear it today. But I'm meeting someone new. I have work at 10 a.m. It's not even 9, it's like 8:51, so I think I'm just gonna get some breakfast. Right now we're at Mom's Organic Market because Vaughn has been feeling sick, so we're gonna go find some probiotics and some healthy drinks.
I'm not that sick.
Well,
Okay,
we want to prevent you from getting more sick.
Hi.
Okay, look at these.
Expected.
Oh, this is the one I got last time. But I feel like this one will look also really good. So you can pick. Which one are you gonna pick? Why does Ibis look like this? These are basically like wellness shots. This one is like an immunity booster. We're gonna watch these on New Year's. So when we recap our year, we have a vlog. Okay, so this is like some of the cheese that I get since I'm vegan. They're having me go grocery shopping. This creamer, it's pretty good. And it's on sale, and right now we're gonna find some cheese balls because my cousin Clark is coming from North Carolina, and his favorite food is cheese balls, and everyone else in my family enjoys them except for me, but it's okay. I like this grocery store. Hi guys, we're back in the car. Close the door.
We got the cheese balls.
They don't sell cheese balls at Mom's Organic Market because that's unhealthy, and they only sell healthy things. It's not like organic things, but basically one of the things that Vaughn got, which I tried before, is basically like an immunity boost wellness shot. So they're gonna try it right now on camera. No water.
Wait, I'm not drinking it on camera, no.
Okay, we don't have water right now, so maybe they might need that later. So we're gonna do that soon. Okay, so the last video I uploaded on my channel, so go check it out if you want to see them take those wellness shots along with other vegan foods. Okay, back to the video. Did you like the grocery store? He's so obsessed with how he looks.
It's a chick boy, huh?
I'm gonna insert pictures of when you were younger here.
Let's do it.
Want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. You. I don't wanna love
you. Ina is now home, and she just got some bubble tea. Ooh. And I just edited this vlog, and my mom is here, groceries and everything, so we're gonna help put some away. Mommy, say hi.
Hi.
Hi guys, Ina and I are professional piano players. Ready, Ina? That sounds kind of like a cute thing. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Mary had.
Open up. You open.
Send it to them. Right now we're at the sushi place. Dad.
You gotta stomp twice. You gotta.
Okay, we're gonna take pictures now, right, Ina?
Joker.
Make us cool.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up,